Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Kala. Today in this video I'm going to give you 5 daily use sentences that you can use, and we use that sentence in our day-to-day life. So my first sentence is that I'm getting ready. Yes guys, you can say that when you are preparing for something. You can say that I'm getting ready for my school, I'm getting ready for my office. This was my first sentence, and second sentence is that wait for a moment. Yes guys, if you want someone to wait for you, then you can say wait for a moment, I'm coming back. You can use this line for someone to say that wait for a moment. The third sentence is that I'll call you back. If you are busy right now, so you can say I'm busy right now, I'll call you back. I will call you back. This was the third sentence. You can use this sentence. Fourth sentence is that don't worry, everything will be fine. If you want to encourage or appreciate someone to their work, then you can say don't worry for your exam, don't worry for the situation, everything will be fine. So this was fourth sentence, and the last sentence is that I'm proud of you. If you want to encourage or appreciate someone for their work, then you can use this line, I'm proud of you. Like that, you did very well job, I'm proud of you. So guys, I hope that in this video you learn it 5 sentence. So for remembering you, for reminding you those 5 sentence, I'll repeat that. Repeat after me. First sentence was that I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Second sentence was that wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. Third sentence is that I'll call you back. I'll call you back बोल सकती हो, or I will call you back. Okay. And the fourth sentence is that don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Now fifth sentence is that I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. So I hope that in this video you have learned it 5 new sentence of daily speaking. So use those 5 sentence and start speaking from today onwards. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.